What excites me the most is to see what developers are doing with the capabilities of Silverlight 3, and in particular, how they're using it to bridge web apps into the world of apps that are installed on your desktop. And to give you a sense of those possibilities, I'd like to introduce Loic Lemour, founder and CEO of Seesmic. Loic?
Thank you, Ray. Good morning, everyone. My name is Loic, as Ray just said, and I represent Seesmic. We're a small company. We're one of the most popular Twitter applications. We help people share and read what their friends are saying, what are people saying about their brand on the internet. We got 3 million downloads, and we launched only 6 months ago. And Ray, the 3 screens and a cloud vision really fits what we want to do, because we really want Seesmic to be available on every single device, on PC, on mobile, on the web, and we want to sync all the data in the cloud for our users. It's a nightmare for a small company like ours, because we have to create different branches of code, have different teams, and so the Silverlight vision really fits in our plan. So what we did is we wanted to go beyond our current application, and we created a prototype on Silverlight, which we have been really surprised on how fast we could put it together. And I'm going to show you this right now. So here is the same popular application that we have, Seesmic Desktop, but now built on Silverlight. As you can see, you can have all the features. We support multiple accounts, multiple columns. You can post, so I can posting from PDC, obviously on those 2 accounts. You can add any search, so the best way to follow what people are saying about PDC is probably to follow the tag PDC09. And we created a new UI, which you can see on the left. We have tabs, and we have this notion of spaces where you can create your column, arrange them as you want, and save them as a space, which you will keep and find, again, very, very easily. You can obviously use everything we have on Seesmic Desktop right now, so see the profile and reply and interact with your community. This is Seesmic for Silverlight, and we will ship a Silverlight version of Seesmic very soon. But what we wanted is to have the best UI and the best experience today for the largest majority, the very, very vast majority of our users. And so I'm very happy and proud to announce that we will ship today Seesmic for Windows, which I'm going to show you right now as well. Thank you. And Seesmic for Windows is an application entirely built on Windows, and it's very smooth, it's very fast, very different experience. As you can see here, a short demo, I can move the columns around. I hope you can see how fast it is. It's really, really nice to use. And we have obviously the very best of Twitter already available. So in Seesmic for Windows, you already have user lists, if you can see here on the left. So here are my investors. Here are some French friends. Here are some partners. And obviously, you can arrange them all very easily. I can also very easily create a new user list. So here is a new list which I'm doing. And look at what we did. This is something new. You can drag and drop users directly from one column to another in a way which is extremely fast and smooth, which we basically could not do before. We will also take full advantage of the Windows platform. For example, on Windows, there will be a sensor for location. And as you know, Twitter is actually launching location right now. We will have that available only if you want to put your location through Seesmic for Windows. Obviously, we will not do it in without your approval. What we will have as well is the #1 request right now, which we're getting by email, is hundreds of developers want to integrate their services into Seesmic. And we simply can't do it. We are 2 small companies. So we wanted to provide a plugin architecture, which is obviously possible. So I'm happy to announce that Seesmic for Windows will be a development platform that you will be able to create secure plugins for Seesmic for Windows. Just to give you a few examples, we could have tweet meme tell you how a tweet is being retweeted or how it's spreading. You could have Mr. Tweet give you some information about the user, and you will be able to create your own plugins. So I'm really hoping we can see many of your plugins being created very soon. So you can go to seesmic.com right now, sign up, and we will send it to you today. As far as Silverlight is concerned, we have used our code base for Seesmic for Windows to put the prototype I showed you together earlier in about 2 weeks. So we will keep working on Silverlight, and we will ship something hopefully very soon as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Loic. Great work.